Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a 15-minute high energy dance cardio. We're gonna get those heart rates up. We're gonna dance it out. We're gonna have some fun, clear a little bit of space, and we'll get started. Take your feet wide, roll the shoulders back. Just getting that body moving here. Reverse the shoulders, take it front. All right, we got a string of movements coming up. We're gonna start with the right foot, tapping twice. Go right for two, switch, left for two, reach. Whew, 4, 3, you got it, 2, reaching through the fingertips, single it out, you tap, right, left. Whew. Elevating those arms over the head, getting the heart rate elevated, connecting to that beat. Good, last set, we lift and twist, go lift, lift, then roll the booty twice. Twist it out. Roll it out. Let's go. Up. Hey. Hey, last time. Good. A little press to the ground. Go press, pull, pull. Finding those levels. Drop and lift. Drop and lift. Good. Give me 4, 3. We're gonna reach those arms. Take them up. You go lift, shake. Lift, hip. Reach high for 4. Woo, 3. Keep it going. 2. Take it from the top. Right side. 2 taps. Go out for 2. Out for 2. Reach. And finish. You got it. 4. We do that same pattern again. 2. Get ready. Single it out. 1 each way. It's right. Left. Whew. Yes. Stay with me. We got 8. We got 6. Good. 4, 3. Lift and twist. 2 times, then roll twice. Work that booty. On that twist, you're activating these obliques. Twist, twist, roll. Last time. Stay here. Drop it down. Pull it up. Down. That's it. We got 8. 6. Good. 4 more. Lift and sit. Let's go. Take it up. Little shake. Up. Little shake. Reach. Hips. Reach. Hips. 4. 3. Woo. 2. Good. 1. Shake your hips side to side. Adding that little hop. Yes. Take your arms out, big reach, and press. One more time. We're going back from the top to finish. Let's go, right side. Switch. Yes. 2 reaches. Find that rebound. Up and off the foot. Then move it up. Last set. And now we single it out. Let's go. Right, left. Go higher. Reach. Whew. Stay with me. 8. We lift and twist in 3, 2. Let's go to the right. Lift, twist. Booty roll. Lift, twist. Booty roll. Lift it up. You got it. Last time here. Take it down. Take it up. Pull. Pull. Drive that elbow up. So strong. You got 8. Woo, 6. Let's go 4 more. Now we lift and we sit. Take it high. Lift, sit, shake. Lift, sit, shake. Woo. 4, 3. Good. 2. Let's shake that booty here. Yes. Adding that little hop or stay grounded, whatever you need. Let's reach those arms high. Take them down. Press. Last time, take it up. Right foot goes. One more time. Up for 2. Last time, you guys. Reach. And push. Give it all you got. Finish it stronger than you started. Now we single it out. Let's go. Up, up. Reach. reach. Can you get that upper body involved? Pushing that torso higher. Woo. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, up and down. All right, y'all, how are we doing? Bring your feet a little wider than your hips. Just take a little booty. Rocking those hips side to side. We're gonna stay grounded right here. Now we're gonna add some arms. You press up, down, up. Like you're a little star. You're hitting all 4 points. It's right, left for 2. And 1, we're gonna take a little pop. Out, in, out, in. 4, 3, squeeze your core. 2, and 1. Take it up right here. Go up, down, up. Pop your chest 4 times. Up. Hey, 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 hey. Take a half. Woo! 4 more steps. Keep going. Up. 3. Pop, pop. Last 2. Take a half. Keep your core engaged. Last one. Woo! Hips rock to the left. We have 4, 3. Take it to our left. There we go. Up. We go down. Up. Down. Reach through those hands. We got 4, 3, 2. Get ready for the pop. We take it to the left. Go pop, pop, squeeze. Pop, pop, squeeze. Woo! Keep it going, y'all. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take it to the sky right here. Take it high, go high, low, booty pop. Keep going, up. I want you to find the level. You can also add a jump on that reach at the top. Little jump, up. If that feels good, stay with it. You got 2 more steps, let's go. Woo. Last time. Yes. Rock your hips side to side. Take it away. We're gonna take both arms into our little star. We start at the top. Go high, low, high, low. Push, push. We have a high V, low V. Those hips are just rocking along. Let's go for 2. We take it to our right side. Pop, pop, squeeze. Engage that core. 4, 3, 2. Take it to the sky. We point up. Pop it up. Again. You can add that jump if you're feeling it. It feels kind of good. Hey, 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 hey. Jump it up. Hey, hey, last 2. Pop, pop, pop. Last one. And we breathe. Holy moly, how we doing? All right, y'all. We're changing up the energy. Lunge over into this right side. Take your hands into a little press. We got a little guitar. 4, 3. Now the back knee pulls over 8. Deep bend in that front knee. 4, 3. Back to that guitar. Go low, low. Strum it. 4, 3. Knee hold it. Let's go. Exhale, exhale. We've got 4, 3. You got it. One more set of guitar. Get the booty involved. 4, 3. We're coming to the front right here. You're gonna go roll, roll, squat, lift. Roll your booty, then drop. Yes, 2 rolls, then squat. 2 rolls, squat. 4 more sets. Take it low, take it up. Last 2. Last one, we go. Ha, ha. Good, now we're gonna kick the booty. 4 kicks. Take it low, pick it up. 4 kicks. Take it low, pick it up. Hey, hey, kick that booty, drop. If you don't want to jump today, you stay grounded like this. Tap, tap, drop, lift. Or you kick that booty, whatever you need. 2 more. Woo! Last one. Hey, 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 other side. Let's go right here. Play it. Strum it. 4, 3, hold that knee in. Go in, exhale. 4, 3, back to the guitar. 8. Ground your body. Squeeze your core. Knee pulls in again. 8. Woo! Here for 4. Back to that guitar. Last set. Let's go. 8. 6. We're gonna hit those booty rolls to the front. And 3, 2, 1. We go. Roll, roll, drop, squeeze, roll, roll, drop, squeeze. Woo! You got it. 4 more sets. Connect with your breath. Yes. Let's go. 3 more.
This beat so crazy. Take control and make me wanna rock and roll it, feel amazing.
I'd like 2 more. You guys, we're gonna go back into those booty kicks. 1 more set. Here we go. Kick the booty 4 times. Hey, 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 drop. Yes. Feel your power. Feel your strength. Keep it going. We got 3. Woo! Remember, you can stay down if you need to. No jumping necessary. Last time, hold it low right here. Little reach. Up. Reach across your chest. Woo! Now take it up a little higher. To the corner. To the corner. Reach. Can you find that little drop in the center? Woo! We got 8. Finish proud. This is it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe. Final song of work. Push through it, y'all. Just a few minutes left. We can do this. You have 2 sets of moves with the reach. You go reach, pull, reach, pull, step and flick, step and flick. Again, slow to get it in your body. Step flick. We're staying grounded. 2 more times, slow. Flick it all the way. Last time, slow. Big reach, tap, reach, tap. Step flick. We're gonna speed that up. We go up, up, flick, flick, reach, reach, flick. That's it. You got it. Up, up, flick. Keep it going. 4, 3. Just keep moving. You're here for 2. Woo! Last one. Slide to the right here. Slide, rock, slide, rock, then clap it. 4, 3. Slide to the right again. Go push, rock, push, rock. 4 claps. Keep it going right here. Slide, rock, push. 4 claps. 1 more time. Let's go. Push, push. Clap it up. 4, 3, 2. Just rock those hips. Woo! Shake that booty like no one's watching. Now reach those up. Take them up. Take them down. 1 more time. Take them up. And down. Those legs go wide. Go down. Up. Inhale. Exhale. Just bringing you down a little bit. Let that heart rate drop. Woo! For 2. Hold this one at the top. Reach high. You pull right, left, Higher, higher. Reach through your roof. Get taller. Give me 8. 6, 4, 3, to the side. Press, 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 press. Palm to the back. Keep your core engaged. You're here just 4. Just 3. We made it, y'all. 2. Woo. 1. Take a big inhale. Up. And then exhale. Let it go. Give yourselves a big round of applause, you guys. Awesome work today. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in those comments. And if you want to support this channel, check out the bio where I have a couple links, and that just helps me to keep getting fun music and creating this endorphin full movement and videos. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time.